Hello everyone, 大家好 Welcome back to my channel. This is Ting. 2 weeks ago, I received a comment. Hi teacher, I want to study a lot of words about arts. For example, lyric, melody, poem, song title. So I thought today is a good occasion to talk about art words related to music. I'm gonna introduce commonly used art words with the practical sentences. Let's quickly get started. First, lyric. We say 歌词 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 For example, the lyrics of the song touched many people. We say 这首歌的歌词感动了很多人。这首歌的歌词 The lyrics of the song 这首歌的歌词感动了 touched many people 很多人。这首歌的歌词感动了很多人。And for example, 这首歌的歌词很简单。这首歌的歌词很简单，我听一遍就会了。我听一遍就会了。I can sing after one listening. 这首歌的歌词很简单，我听一遍就会了。Melody, we say 旋律，旋律。This one is a bit challenge. Please follow me again. We say 旋律，旋律 melody. Poem, we say 诗。There is a lovely Chinese song called 但愿人长久. It's from a poem. If you're interested, I think there are a lot in YouTube. You can search 但愿人长久. Next, song, we say 歌。Sometimes you can hear 歌曲. They are the same. 歌曲 is a formal version. For spoken, it's enough. Only say 歌。For example, the song tells what I want to say. 这首歌唱出了我的心声。这首歌 the song 唱出了 tells 我的心声 what I want to say. Song title, we say 歌名。Next, singer, we say 歌手。The classifier, of course, you can use 一个歌手 but better you can say 一名歌手 or 一位歌手。一名歌手，一位歌手。你有喜欢的歌手吗？你有喜欢的歌手吗？ Do you have favorite singer? Next, composer, we say 作曲家。Lyricist, we say 作词人。Next, album, we say 专辑。The classifier, we say 一张专辑。Next, I'm going to introduce some music type. First one, classical music. We say 古典音乐。Do not say 古代音乐。It should be 古典音乐。Electronic music. We say 电子音乐。Hip hop. We say 嘻哈音乐。 no worry to write them down. As usual, I will write everything in the description below, so you can check it later. Jazz, we say 爵士爵士爵士 Next, rap, we say 说唱说唱说唱 Rock, rock, we say 摇滚摇滚摇滚 Sentence, for example, 邻居放的电子音乐让我无法睡觉。邻居放的电子音乐让我无法睡觉。邻居 neighbor 放的 Here this 放 is not like the verb put. Here this 放 actually is 播放播放 play. But for spoken, it's enough to say, so 邻居放的电子音乐 So neighbor plays the electronic music keeps me from sleeping. I couldn't sleep. 你最喜欢什么类型的音乐？你最喜欢什么类型的音乐？ What type of music do you like the most? For me, I like classical music because it makes me focus. But I like rap as well because it releases my anger. What about you? 你最喜欢什么音乐类型？ What type of music do you like the most? Please let me know you. You may write your answer by leaving comments. Last two, concert. We say 演唱会演唱会 or 音乐会音乐会 concert. The classifier we use 一场演唱会 We usually use 一场演唱会 So, for example, 星期六有一场演唱会星期六有一场演唱会我想去我想去 I want to go. Last one, band. We say 乐队乐队 The classifier we say 一支乐队一支乐队 For example, do you know he has his own band? We say 哦你知道吗你知道吗 Do you know? He has his own band. 他有了自己的乐队他有了自己的乐队你知道吗他有了自己的乐队 Wow! Okay, I hope today's video is only a starter. Keeps you exploring Chinese. Don't forget to check the free PDF in the description below so you can learn and relearn. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I see you next time. Bye.